Hello, thank you for joining the Hail Mary's post-game press conference after our loss to the Stars. I'd like to, at this point, open up the show to some questions. Yes, you in the back with the blue shirt on.
Yeah, Coach McPherson, how do you feel about the Hail Mary's loss to the Stars?
You know, I'll tell you how we feel after the loss. You over there in the white. Yes, you, the weird-looking one.
How do you feel about Sean Alexander's 4-point performance?
Sean Alexander's performance. Well, I mean, again... I think we have time for one more question. You right there in the front row.
Are the Hail Marys expecting a W this week against the Crosbys? And if not, how would they react?
Well, how do we feel about our chances of winning this week against the Crosbys? Well, it really doesn't matter if we win or lose. You know, we're not here just for the W's. You know, we're here to have a good time. We're here to have fun. So it's win or lose, we'll be happy.
Fun? But I thought the Hail Marys were focused on the W.
Well, we used to be all about the W, but things do change. People change. Let me give you a song to kind of illustrate the point I'm trying to make, okay?
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you back from downstairs. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. Should've changed that stupid lock, should've made you leave your key. If I had known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Come on now, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd humble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, I will survive. For as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I'll survive, I will survive. Hey, I will survive. Hey, I will survive. Every day, I will survive. Oh yeah.
What? You're sorry? Oh, of course I forgive you. I could never survive without your W.
No plot, no fictional characters, no TV spin-offs, just good old-fashioned...
Eli, man.
How does it feel to treat me like you do? When you lay your hands upon me and tell me who you are. I thought I was mistaken. I thought I heard your words. But tell me, how do I feel? Tell me now, how do I feel? How does it feel? How should I feel? Tell me, how does it feel to treat me like you do? Those who came before me lived through their vocations.
All you little Hail Marys out there watching from home, you are not to try this at home. That includes you, Ethan, watching from right there. This is to be done by trained idiots only.
Hey, what I need to say quite sure that you'll tell me just how I should feel today.